everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of copywriting. So, what exactly is copywriting? In simple terms, it's the skill of writing text that convinces people to take action, whether it's buying something, signing up for a newsletter, or interacting with your content. Copywriting is important for all businesses because it helps attract and keep customers. To explain this, let's look at a simple case study. Consider a fitness app called FitLife. Initially, their app downloads were very low despite offering great features. They hired a copywriter who revamped their app store description and ads. Instead of generic lines like track your workouts, the copywriter used engaging phrases like transform your body with personalized workout plans and real-time progress tracking. This new compelling copy highlighted the app's benefits in a way that resonated with potential customers. Within 3 months, downloads tripled, demonstrating the impact of effective copywriting. Plus, with the digital age booming, the demand for skilled copywriters is skyrocketing, offering abundant job opportunities across various industries. On average, entry-level copywriters earn a competitive salary of around $75,000 per year, with the potential to grow significantly as they gain experience and hone their skills. Whether you're looking to boost your business or start a new career, this video is for you.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
But before that, if you're interested to start a career in digital marketing, then check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in digital marketing in partnership with Purdue University. This course provides a robust and industry-relevant curriculum to help you become a certified digital marketing expert. The program covers essential digital marketing components like website creation, SEO, SEM, social media marketing, mobile marketing, content strategy, and advanced topics like ChatGPT and many more. You'll gain hands-on experience through live interactive learning, student digital marketing simulations, case studies, and capstone projects. Additionally, you'll receive a Meta-certified digital marketing associate exam voucher and a Hootsuite certified professional credential. Enroll now and take the next step in your digital marketing journey. You can find the course link in the description box and the pinned comments. So, let's get started. We have already discussed what copywriting is. Let's begin with some examples of copywriting. So, let's talk about Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign. This one was a game changer. By replacing their iconic logo with popular names on bottles, Coca-Cola created a personal connection with customers. It's amazing how a simple idea of personalizing bottles with names can drive people to buy and share more Cokes. Next up, M&M's. Their tagline, melts in your mouth, not in your hands, is a classic. It's straightforward and highlights a unique selling point. This catchy phrase makes you remember the brand every time you think of chocolate candies. Now, L'Oreal's Because You're Worth It is another powerful example. This slogan is all about self-esteem and empowerment, encouraging people to treat themselves with high-quality beauty products. It resonates deeply, especially with their target audience. So, these copywriting examples made a huge impact by transforming simple ideas into memorable campaigns. Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign boosted sales and engaged customers on a personal level. M&M's tagline became a staple phrase that people associated with the product, and L'Oreal's empowering slogan helped build brand loyalty and position their products as a choice for self-care. Now, before going forward, let's take a quick sneak peek into the history of copywriting or how this evolved. Copywriting began in the late 1800s with John Emery Powers, known as the first professional copywriter. He crafted compelling ads for products like Murphy Varnish Company, highlighting its durability and shine. In the early 1900s, Claude Hopkins revolutionized advertising with scientific methods, creating effective campaigns like the famous Pepsodent toothpaste ad. And as time went on, Apple took copywriting to new heights with memorable campaigns like Think Different. Apple's Think Different campaign, launched in the year 1997, marked a major turning point for the company. Featuring famous people like Albert Einstein and Mahatma Gandhi, it celebrated creativity and originality. This campaign transformed Apple's image from a struggling tech company to a symbol of innovation and uniqueness. It connected deeply with people, increased brand loyalty, and set the stage for the success of products like the iMac, iPod, and iPhone. Overall, Think Different revitalized Apple and changed the way companies approached advertising. Today, copywriting combines classic techniques with modern strategies for ads, websites, and social media to engage audiences and drive results. Now, you can find various forms of copywriting around you. Let's see each of them one by one. First, there are print ads. Think about those catchy headlines and persuasive texts in magazines, newspapers, and billboards. Then there's online content. This includes website copy, blogs, and social media posts. For instance, Grammarly's blog posts provide valuable writing tips while subtly promoting their product. Next, we have email marketing. These are the emails you get about sales, new products, or just keeping in touch. For example, Netflix's personalized recommendations and new show announcements keep users engaged and subscribed. Now, product descriptions are another form. When you shop online, you see detailed information about products, right? Apple's product descriptions highlight the sleek design and innovative features, making you want to own that latest gadget. Now, social media posts are all about quick, engaging copy. For instance, Oreo's timely and witty "You Can Still Dunk in the Dark" tweet during the Super Bowl blackout became an instant hit. Finally, landing pages. These are standalone pages created for marketing campaigns with compelling headlines and clear call to action. Companies like Shopify use landing pages to highlight the ease of setting up an online store, converting visitors into customers. Now, copywriting is often confused with content writing. So, copywriting and content writing serve different purposes and require different approaches. Copywriting aims to persuade readers to take immediate action, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter, using brief, direct, and compelling messages. For instance, a product ad saying, "Claim your 50% off discount code," is designed to drive sales quickly. Content writing, on the other hand, focuses on providing valuable, informative, or entertaining content to engage the audience and build trust over time. An example is a blog post with 10 tips for better home workouts that educates readers about fitness. While copywriting is short and action-oriented, content writing is longer, detailed, and aimed at offering useful information. So understanding these differences helps you choose the right approach for your marketing goals. Now that you have got a clear idea on what copywriting is all about, let's break down the steps you need to take to become a successful copywriter, from understanding what copywriting is to finding your first job. Number 1, understand what copywriting is. First things first, you need to understand what copywriting actually involves. Copywriting is the art of writing text that sells or promotes something. This text, often called copy, can be used in ads, on websites, in emails, or even in the videos. The goal of copywriting is to persuade people to act, whether it's buying a product, signing up for a service, etc. Number 2, learn the basics of copywriting. Once you know what copywriting is, it's time to learn the basics. Start by finding resources like online courses, books, or blogs that teach you the fundamentals of writing persuasive copy. Look for topics such as crafting effective headlines, understanding your target audience, and mastering the art of clear and engaging writing. Number 3, build your writing skills. To become a copywriter, you need to practice writing copy. Start by creating your own mock projects, such as writing ads for fictional products, crafting sales emails, or designing social media posts. The more you practice, the better your writing skills will become. Now, number 4 is creating a portfolio. As you develop your skills, start putting together a portfolio to showcase your best work. Your portfolio is like your resume for potential clients or employers. It should include examples of your writing and highlight your ability to create persuasive and engaging copy. Now, number 5, get real experience. Now, it's time to gain real-world experience. Look for internships, freelance gigs, or part-time jobs where you can apply for your copywriting skills. This hands-on experience will help you learn more about the industry and start building a professional network. Now, number 6, learn from the pros. One of the best ways to improve your skill is to learn from the experienced copywriters. Follow their blogs, watch their videos, and see how they approach their work. This will give you valuable insights and inspiration. Number 7 on the list, stay updated with industry trends. The field of copywriting is always evolving, so it's important to stay informed about the latest trends and techniques. Subscribe to newsletters, join online communities, and keep learning to stay ahead in the industry. Now, number 8, network and market yourself. Building connections in the copywriting world can lead to job opportunities and valuable advice. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with other professionals in the field. Now, number 9, get feedback and improve. Seeking feedback from others is a great way to improve your skills. Share your work with more experienced copywriters or mentors, and use their feedback to make your writing even better. Now, at last, number 10, keep practicing and growing. Finally, keep practicing your copywriting skills and looking for new opportunities to grow. The more you practice and learn, the better you will become. So, copywriting offers a wide range of job opportunities across many industries. As an advertising copywriter, you'll create engaging ads for TV, radio, and online platforms. Marketing copywriters focus on crafting content for brochures, flyers, and websites to attract customers. If you are an SEO copywriter, you'll write content optimized for search engines to improve website rankings. Content strategists plan and manage content strategies, while social media managers create posts and ads for social platforms. Email marketing specialists design email campaigns to nurture leads. Creative directors oversee creative campaigns and lead teams. Product copywriters develop appealing product descriptions for e-commerce websites. Now, one of the biggest perks of copywriting is the flexibility, especially if you choose to freelance. As a freelance copywriter, you can work with multiple clients, set your own schedule, and pick projects that excite you. This flexibility allows you to balance your work with other life commitments and explore a variety of industries and writing skills. Whether you prefer the stability of a corporate job or the freedom of freelancing, copywriting offers diverse career paths. It's a field where you can continuously learn and grow, finding the right fit for your skills and interests. So, there you have it. That's a wrap on a deep dive into the world of copywriting. We have covered a lot today, from what copywriting is and its importance in business to the vast job opportunities available in this field. Whether you are aiming for a corporate position, looking to work in advertising or digital marketing, or considering the flexible lifestyle of a freelancer, copywriting offers endless possibilities. Remember, the key to become a successful copywriter is practice, creativity, and a good understanding of your audience. If you are passionate about writing and persuasion, there's a place for you in this dynamic industry. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.